Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about escape sequences, part of programming in C course. In C, escape sequences are special characters that begin with this backslash and are used to represent certain special characters that cannot be represented directly in a string. Here are some examples of common escape sequences in C. /n is a new line character used to start a new line in a string. /t is a tab character used to insert a tab in a string. /double quote. Double quote character used to include a double quote within a string. /single quote. Single quote character used to include a single quote within a string. Two backslashes are used to include a backslash within a string. Some of the other escape sequences are /r, /b, /a, /f, and /v, etc. It is important to note that escape sequences are only recognized within string literals and character literals, not in other types of data. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.